Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn boost conversions JustDial leads direct to Slack. So let's suppose I'm running an online business and I'm collecting all my leads using JustDial. I want that whenever I capture a new lead, I should send the lead details to my team on Slack channel. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this entire process, and to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between JustDial and Slack. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I am going to receive a new lead, I am going to send this lead detail to my team on Slack. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can capture the leads from JustDial and send these leads to my team on Slack channel. And for this, we are simply going to create integration between this Slack and JustDial using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now, before we sign into our Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. Now, if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster, and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this workflow as boost conversions JustDial leads direct to Slack, and now I'm going to select my folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. Now as soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Now here in this workflow, I want to send the message to my team on Slack whenever I receive a new lead in my JustDial, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, I'm going to automatically send the message to my team, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking JustDial, and following this trigger application will be my action application in which I will take Slack. So here in my trigger application, let me quickly take JustDial. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new leads and then click on connect. So now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and JustDial, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my JustDial with Pabbly Connect. So to build this connection, I'm going to follow the help desk given below, and over here I have already created the connection between this JustDial and my Pabbly Connect. So JustDial does not have the provision to add this webhook URL from the user interface, so I have already sent this to my account manager in JustDial. They have created the complete setup. In the help desk, it is written to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it to your JustDial account. Reach out to your account manager from JustDial. JustDial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL on the user interface of their application. Hence, you need to send this webhook URL to your JustDial point of contact or the backend team. So you have to copy this webhook URL, send this to your account manager. They will create the setup and you will start receiving the leads. Now to receive this lead and to check this connection which we have created is working fine or not, I'm going to click on this capture webhook response, and you will see it has changed to this waiting for webhook response. Now let's wait for the response, and if I receive the response, then this is going to show us the setup which we have created is working fine. And here 2 seconds ago we have received the response. The phone number is this. The lead name is new lead. Then the email address is newlead@pabblytudes.com. So here I have received the response. I received the new lead details, and this shows the connection set which we have created is working fine. Now moving on towards the next step. Whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send the lead details to my team on Slack channel. I'm going to click on the add new action step, and in my action application I'll search for Slack. In my action event, I'm going to select it as send channel message and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Slack. I need to enter my token type, which I'm going to enter as user. It is written enter the token type as either user or bot. Check the documentation to find out how to get it. I have written the token type as user. I'm going to save this, and I have already logged in my Slack account. So I just need to grant away the permissions, for which I'm going to click on this allow, and you will see Slack will be connected to Pabbly Connect. And now I have to enter all these details. First, I need to enter the channel ID. So to get this channel ID here, this is the channel which I've created by the name JustDial Leads. So I will select the same channel, JustDial Leads, and then I need to enter the message. So I'm going to enter the message as hello team, we have received a new lead from JustDial. Here are the details: name, phone, email. Please follow up as soon as possible. So I'm going to enter these details now, but I'm not going to enter these details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I received the response from this JustDial, and when I click on this field, I can see this JustDial over here, and when I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. So this is the phone number. I'm going to enter this phone number. Then we have this name. So the name was new lead, and the email address was this, newlead@pabblytudes.com. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now here I'm going to skip this image, all text, URL, bot name, bot icon, as these fields are not required when I simply want to send the channel message to my team. So I'm going to skip this. In the auto expand link, I'm going to select it as true. The link username and the channel name as true. Reply broadcast as false. And then thread message ID is also not a required field. I'm going to skip this. After entering all the required details, I'm simply going to execute this workflow and click on save and send test request. And here I have received the response. And this response is a positive one. I'm going to open my Slack and check whether I have received any message there or not. And here it is. Instantly I have received the same message. Hello team, we have received a new lead from JustDial. Here are the details. The name was new lead, phone number was this 9191. The email address was newlead@pabblytudes.com. Please follow up as soon as possible. So now to summarize, we took JustDial as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and as soon as we received the new lead, we wanted to send the message to our team on Slack. So we took Slack as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally send the channel message. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between this JustDial and Slack using Pabbly Connect. I've attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. If you have any doubts, you can comment down the video below and we will try to resolve that. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.